Here's another D&D trap encounter for you. This one involving the Black Pudding. The Black Pudding has an AC of 7 and 85 hit points. The Black Pudding has a ton of immunities. It has a challenge rating of 4, and most importantly, it has a corrosive form. Creatures who make a melee attack within 5 feet of it take acid damage. Any non-magical weapon that's made of metal or wood is also corroded. If that weapon is hit 5 or more times, it is destroyed. Additionally, the Black Pudding can engulf a creature. If the Black Pudding hits the creature or engulfs the creature, any non-magical armor that's being worn will slowly dissolve. And the armor can be destroyed once it's reduced to an AC of 10 or below. Most importantly, the Black Pudding can split. If the Black Pudding takes lightning or slashing damage, it splits into 2 new puddings. So let's set the scene. Your players have discovered a room full of magical items. They discover magical scrolls, a wizard spellbook, and 2 items of important notice. The first being a crate which, when opened up, leads to a dungeon below them. And the second being a keg. Be sure to describe the tap of this keg dripping a red, mysterious liquid. Players can immediately discover that this red liquid is Potion of Healing. If the players decide to find empty bottles in the room, or if they have any on their person, and they decide to fill those bottles up with this Potion of Healing, make sure to describe that there's just enough Potion of Healing for each member of the party. Moving forward, the party should direct themselves to the crate in the dungeon below. Using the chain, the party should be able to descend to the dungeon below safely. Describe this dungeon room as having crates, barrels, cabinets, and tables, and most importantly, kegs. Be sure to describe this keg as exactly identical as the keg they discovered on the floor above. The only difference, though, this keg is not dripping red liquid. Be sure to describe this keg as firmly sealed, and any player who tries to open the keg, they will immediately be engulfed by the Black Pudding. And if any melee attack is dealt to the Black Pudding, and it's lightning or slashing damage, the Black Pudding will continue to split until it engulfs everyone. The Black Pudding is very punishing towards players. Not only does it destroy their weapons, but it destroys their armor. But if you enjoyed this kind of content, make sure that you like and follow for more D&D tips.